Hello, this is Amal, and in this video I will explain to you how you can authenticate your signer's ID using Absher. Let's begin by uploading a document for signing from the local device. And once the document is fully loaded, click on Next to move on to the second step, which is adding the participants. So in this step, we'll add the signer's information and activate Needs to Verify. By activating Needs to Verify, we need to select the method of verification of the signer. By selecting Absher as a verification method, we need to enter the national ID of the signer that they're going to receive the verification code in. Then proceed with the other steps to finalize the signature request and send it to the signer. So here we're going to place the required fields such as the signature, and finally review and send. Now the signer is going to receive the signature request in their email. So by clicking on review document, they will be taken to the document to start signing it. But before, a pop-up message will appear for the signers to verify their identity. So the code will be sent to the phone number that is registered under the national ID of the signer. So here I received an SMS message with the code, which is 713611. By entering the code, click on Verify and Continue to access the document and start signing on it. And now finish the document and send. And all of these actions, including the verification, will be registered here in the audit trail, as you can see. So now we have the verification, the second verification, which is Absher, and the action taken, which is the authentication, is also registered here with the date and the time and all of the details until the document is fully completed.